Task1_2, we change from previous task, which we output the LED to light up on port A's, but now we want to do it on port C. So we need to initialize some things differently from the previous one. So we need to add a clock for port C, which is this address. We can set a bit to it to enable clock in GPIO. And we also change these variables to be GPIOC instead of A, because now we are using port C. So the rest of the code should be similar. We modify this, we modify it to specifically turn on port C3 and port C5. Port C3, which is port C3 high, and port C5 low, using the similar circuit as previous tasks. But now we want to connect those LED1 to PC3 and LED2 to PC5. So here, previously, if you remember, we enable bit GPIO A to be bit 1, set bit 1 to enable GPIO A clock, but now we set bit to 2 to enable the clock for GPIOC. And the rest of the step is quite similar. We load the address for mode in order to set the mode for this pin to be output. We have to set 01 to this address, which we shift by 6 to the left for PC3 and shift by 10 to the left for PC5. Then we write back into those the GPIOC address. Okay, for type, push and pull, and speed will be similar to previous tasks. We didn't change anything. We still set this to be push and pull, and speed to be low for all pins. So we can build and see whether there's an error. There's no error. And we can upload this bin file, which is now, to the node. Okay. Sorry.